Hey there! Do you want to learn all about what if analysis tool in Microsoft Excel, that too with an example? If yes, then this video is absolutely for you. Do watch it without the fail. In this video, I'm going to show you another feature within what if analysis called as data table inside of MS Excel. I'll take you through the complete steps to build this data table function from scratch. And all this has been done using a very simple data which will be very easy to recreate and understand. You can easily get this exercise file downloaded in your system using the link provided in the description of this video. So go ahead, watch this complete video, practice this concept in the exercise file provided to you and become the master of it. Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is session number 140 and we are learning the what if analysis tool in Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is full of so many different types of powerful and robust tools. The Goal Seek and the Excel Solver tool are just two of these which we saw in our earlier videos. If you have missed watching those videos, I have provided the link here at the top. You can go ahead and watch that. So during this session, during this video, we are going to take a look at working with data tables. Data tables are a way for us to interject alternative values into a calculation without having to recreate the calculation. Excel, through the use of a data table, will essentially take these alternatives and stick them into the formula and recalculate them for us. Open in front of you, I have got the example file that I am going to be demonstrating here, and this is part of the exercise file that comes with this course, and I have already provided the link to download this file in the description of this video. So I'm currently on the data table tab. Now on here I have got a simple little table with three values: a mortgage amount, a interest rate, and term in months. Now right below that simple little table I have got a list of alternative rates. Okay, the alternative interest rates: 7.25, 7.5, 7.75, and so on, right? So what I would like to do here is I want to know what my monthly payment is going to be based on these three values, that is $2,200,000, 8%, and 300 payments. But I also want to know what that payment would be like if I varied up the percentage rates given here in the list, right? Well, we can recreate the formula that figure out the monthly payments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 7 different times, right? Or we could use this little table that I have right here, this B and C column from B7 to C14 as a data table, and Excel will do it all for us. Take a look. So inside of Excel there are two different types of data tables. There is a single variable data table, meaning you have got a single set of alternatives, or a multivariable, that is table where you can put two different sets of alternative values into a formula. The example that I have here is a single variable data table because we are dealing with just single variable. Okay. Now with this single variable data table, it has to be set up in a very specific way. The very first column in the table has to be your list of alternative values. In our case, it's this percentage rate. The second column and the very first row is where your formula is. Your original formula, right, is going to be placed, and down below it is where Excel will recalculate all for you automatically based on these alternative rate of interest and that original formula. Okay, so my first step, I have got the table set up. My second step, second column, first row, I have already put the formula for you, which we have already seen in our previous video, and I provide the link here at the top. You can go ahead and watch that video as well. So we just need to type here equals PMT. PMT is nothing but the payment function. I got the rate of interest, which is C3, right? And as it's annual rate, so I have divided by 12. Then the second variable is N per, which is C4, terms in months, right? And I have got my present value, which is $2,200,000, which is C2. Okay, so there we go. And as this will give me the negative value, I have just put the negative sign in front of the PMT so that it gives me the positive value. Okay, so it gives me roughly $1,700 monthly payment based on 2200,000 mortgage amount for an 8% interest rate for the next 300 months. Alright, so now I have got my single variable data table here. First column alternatives, second column first row the formula, and down below Excel is self gonna fill in the rest for me. Now once that is set up, this is very simple process. Here's the first step to actually convert this into a data table. First I select the table from B7 to C14, and then going to go to my data tab. Here I'm going to go over to the forecast section, what if analysis, data table. Okay. Now remember, I mentioned that there is two different types of data table, a single variable where you got a single set of alternatives, and a multivariable where you can do two sets of alternative values. Ours is a single, and in my case I need to use it as a column input cell, and what this essentially means is we are going to take this column of alternative rate and place it into this 8% area where our formula is looking. Our formula currently gets its percentage rate from cell C3. Okay, so for my column input cell, I will take this column here and we are going to input it into the C3 cell. Okay, so for column input cell, make sure we get C3 there, and I'll hit OK, and that's it. I'm done. Excel has taken my simple little table with that list of alternative and that formula, and through a little bit of input of my own, telling it, hey, we are going to take the set of column values and put it in the C3 cell. It calculates all the alternative values for us. Really simple, right? So anytime you have got a set of what if, like, hey, what if I put this value in there? What if I put this value in there? What if I put this one or this one or this one, right? We can build a simple table and list out these alternatives and have Excel calculate all those alternatives for us. So try this out. Open up the exercise file, hop over the data table tab, and work out the list of alternative here within the monthly payment, all within a single variable data table. Alright, so that's what I wanted to share with you today. This is another tool which comes with the what if analysis function. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really like this video and enjoying this journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright, then we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. So see you in the next session. Till then, stay safe, have a great life, and take very good care of yourself.